Remove bolts securing skid plate with ratchet and 13mm socket. Then remove skid plate. On one side, remove inside, then outside skid plate bracket bolts. Repeat on opposite side. Install square hole spacer on carriage bolt and insert through front-facing frame hole. Repeat on opposite side. Lift front mount into position. Secure with serrated flange nuts. Finger tighten. On one side, install the square hole spacer onto the carriage bolt, then insert carriage bolt into top frame hole and secure with serrated flange nut. Finger tighten. Repeat with middle frame hole. Place washer on hex head cap screw and insert into threaded insert of frame. Finger tighten. Repeat on opposite side. Beginning with front-facing fasteners, torque carriage bolts to 70 foot-pounds and hex head cap screws to 45 foot-pounds.